Now this is an exciting release from Antigravity. It's called the A1 and it is an 8K 360 degree drone. This is the Infinity bundle that you're going to check out here, or we're going to check out together. Let's have a look what we get inside, how it all comes packaged. I'm actually really curious about the build quality of this unit. Love the packaging, very clean. Just looks so cool. Those goggles just look so cool. Can't wait to get into this one. Alright, let's move that off to the side, and here we go. The little sticky tab. Boom, take that off. And here we go. So, we've got a really nice bag by the looks of it. So let me just move this off screen so I can grab this bag out without knocking everything over. There we go. So that's all that's in the box. Move that to the side. So we've got, love the packaging, so premium. Okay, so this right here is the bag. Really, really funky. That is cool as. Love how that's on an angle. And it just says anti-gravity. There's a little stitch section there. This is actually super premium. Really, really nice bag. At the back here, we've got just a bunch of paperwork by the looks of it. Instructions, details, all sorts of things, which is nicely packaged in that back pouch there, which, you know, if you keep your paperwork at home, you've then got an additional storage pouch. There's a nice handle there as well. Really nice bag. Well thought out. Handle there if you want to carry it like that, which I do a lot of the time as opposed to slinging it over. So that's cool that you have both options. The pouch has got a very nice, like a velvety almost feel, really soft in there. And then this is Velcro. Okay, very interesting. Ooh, all the little compartments and all the different things. Here we go. All right, let's, I don't know where to start. Let's start with whatever this is. Is this the drone? I don't know. So it looks like a case, a little carrying case possibly. Ooh, very clean. Look at this. Just says anti-gravity here. And then as we pull that, ooh, and it reveals the drone. Now this is something I'm very excited about. This drone is something different to what we've seen before. Whoa, look at that. So it's like a full gimbal system that it braces for any sort of impact. Got cameras everywhere on the unit. Power button there on the back. Love the design. Looks so sleek. Love that so much. So as we fold this out, I believe these little legs come down as well when you power it on, but you can also manually move those legs. They're the little landing legs. So that's the footprint there. Let's move that out of the way. So there we go. Such a unique looking drone really, isn't it? Look at this. When have you ever seen a drone that looks like this? And you can see how much love they've put into this. There's sensors everywhere, there's cameras everywhere. This is so cool, honestly. What a cool looking drone. Just says anti-gravity on the side there. Okay, so that's the drone. Comes with its own little bag as well, a little case within the bag, which is cool. So we'll move that over there. Let's have a look at the goggles maybe. I believe, yeah, these are the goggles here. These are also really unique because they display something on the outside. So there's a screen on the outside and it will display what you're seeing to people who are looking at you. Wow, okay, these guys are going for something very premium. You've got a little instruction manual in there, a little protective cover as well. You've got some lens caps in there. That looks nice and flexible. This memory foam here feels nice and forgiving on your face. Got those little caps that go in. You've got little adjustable knobs as well that you can adjust the width of your eye as well as the focal length. Really cool there. Anything else? USB-C that you can plug in here. Got a button on this side, a couple of buttons on this side. Okay, there's a bunch of different things. On the front there's a little camera. We've got these cool as. Honestly, they're so cool. Love these goggles. They're just so cool. Oh, I don't know what happened with this. Left a bit of residue on. I will have to clean that up by the looks of it. But there we go, that's the goggles. Looking futuristic. Then we've got this, which is the controller. Let's have a look at this one. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Damn, that looks so cool. Look at that thing. Now that looks just so futuristic. What a cool combo together. Honestly, they're doing something very unique here, aren't they? With this setup. Okay, so there's all sorts of modes here. We've got cinematic by the looks, normal, sports mode. You've got a button off to the side. You've got the trigger. Another button here. A little toggle. Oh, it all feels really nice. Nice and tactile, the feel of everything. That's a button as well as a wheel. Record. Power. Oh, there's just so many buttons on this thing. It's awesome. Look at this. Look how many things you can do on here. Wow, okay. So that's another thing. And then this will be the charging hub, I would imagine. So far, everything is just unbelievably premium. Oh, interesting. I don't know what this thing is. Huh. I have no idea what this is. Maybe that's... Oh, that's the little battery pack. That must be. That will be the battery pack for this unit, sorry. Because you've got to power the headset, I believe. Oh, so that's nice, because then that can connect on, and you can have it hanging around your neck, or you could just clip it onto a belt or something, I'm sure. That's, I would imagine, what's going to connect to the headset. This is the charging hub here. Love the batteries, they're really nice. Again, such a sleek, interesting design here. Clips into place nicely. We've got little charging prongs there. This is some sort of release by the looks of it. Oh, that flips down into a little stand. Really nice. So you can stand that upright, or you can clip that away and then just have it how you want, or have it like that, whatever you need. I think that's a stand. Interesting. USB-C, power button, and then a little display by the looks of it on the front here. I don't know if we've got any power though. Don't know if the batteries have anything, but maybe that's a little display as well. Very nice. Whoa, this is a package, alright. And then that's the end of the bag, but up here there's more accessories, which I'll see if I can get out. Oh, there's a lot of different accessories. So that's what you can clip on to have it as a lanyard with the battery pack for the headset. So that just goes on by the looks of it. Bunch of different cables and cloths and filters and all sorts of things in here. Wow, this is like everything. Extra props, screwdriver. Yeah, it's got it all. It's got it all. There we go. So that's the kit right there. There's the drone. That's the controller. Really unique stuff. That's the headset there with the little flip-up antennas. So if we kind of position it like this, you might be able to see it all. There we go, so that's the kit right there. Looks very, very premium. Love that. Love the look of everything. So can't wait to see how this all functions, but very impressed with that unboxing. It's just so well built.